like, oh my gosh, she got money, but y'all don't know I'm broke. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jazz and I'm back with another video today. If this is your first time here, hey, my name is Jazz. I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and when I want to snatch this waist. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you haven't already, what you doing, hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on all notifications so you will be alerted when I post new videos. So as you have read the title, you guys, I'm so excited because your girl got a luxury unboxing for you guys today. Well, I got one unboxing because one didn't come with a box because they didn't have one, I guess. I don't know what that was about. But I decided to pick up some sunglasses from Dior. Yes, Dior. Okay, and excuse the noise if you guys hear any noise in the background because they decided to chop trees today. Like, out of all days, y'all want to do your girl like that? Y'all want to chop down trees today? Like, why? But anyway, we gon' roll with it. Okay, so the first pair that I did decide to pick up, they come in this box like this, and as you can see on the front of the box, it does say Dior. It's just a simple black box, and on the inside of the box you just have the Dior case right here, and it has like this velvet material right here on the front, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it does have Dior right here on the front of the case. And I really would have liked a hard case because as expensive as these glasses are, you would really like a hard case to make sure your glasses are protected. Now, I don't know how the rest of the Dior glasses come. I don't know if they come in like a case or whatever. And it also comes with this dust cloth, as you can see, and it has Dior on it as well. And then it also comes with this authentication card that also says Christian Dior on the front. And I have been looking for these glasses all over the place. I've seen Ari with these glasses, I've seen Jada with these glasses, I've seen so many different celebrities with these glasses, and then you know me, I was trying to find a dupe, but you can't find no dupes of these glasses nowhere, so I had to get the originals. Okay, these do retail for like $300 and something. I'm not for sure how much they cost on the Dior website because they are sold out, because these glasses have been out for a while. And if you know me, you know I'm always late to the party, but as long as I step up in that thing, I'm good. Okay, so the first pair that I did decide to get, and I don't like this because I don't like trying to pull these out because I feel like I'm a breaker. But okay, got them out the case. The first ones that I did get are the pink ones, you guys, and they are so cute. I was kind of, you know, skeptical about it because I was like, oh my god, these are like humongous. Like, oh my god, like it's like giving me the shield like vibes, you know, like the shields that you wear for the coronavirus. Like, it was giving me that kind of vibe, and I was just like, oh my god, I know I got a big face, I know I got a big forehead, so I'm like, hopefully these look okay. But on the side, as you can see, it does have Dior on the side. On the inside of the glasses, it has CD on the little nose pads right here, and they are a little dusty because I've been trying these on because your girl been walking around the house feeling herself because I haven't wore these out anywhere. I don't even know why. Like, I feel like these are just a statement pair of sunglasses, and you gotta be popping when you wear these. Like, you can't just go outside and be like, oh, I'm gonna put these on today. Like, no, these make a statement. Okay, so I'm gonna try them on so you guys can see what they look like. And like I said before, if you follow me, y'all know that I'm not really a pink girl, but oh, what you say, girl? Okay, I feel like a real bad bitch. Okay, like, you can't tell me nothing. If you see me out somewhere, I'm gonna be like, do I know you? Do I know you? Okay, because I damn sure can't see you. Well, you can see me, but I can't see you. I'm gonna act like I can't see you. Okay. But they're really cute. You definitely ain't gonna be blocking no sun, so be prepared for that. And you definitely can see my eyes through these, but I really love these. I think they're super cute. I've been wanting these, and when I did get these, I was like, oh my god, like, they so cute. I want the black ones, so y'all already know I have to get the black ones. Yes. Okay, so I I did get the black ones, and I've seen these on a lot of different websites. I've seen them on Joylot. Now I'm not for sure if they are authentic or not, but I've seen a lot of reviews, and a lot of reviews said that they were authentic. I've seen these glasses a lot of places. The only thing is that you have to make sure that you're getting authentic ones. And how I know that I have authentic ones is because it's just gonna have, like, I guess the codes on here, and then it's also gonna say made in Italy. I don't know if you guys can really see that. And then it's also gonna have some numbers on this side as well. But I'm gonna show you guys the black ones. The black ones are in this case as well, and it comes with the dust cloth, and it also comes with the authentication card on the inside. And then on the inside, as you can see, it just has that Christian Dior tag on the inside. But the black ones are giving, like, oh, like, I can't wait to go up in somebody's club and just have these on, like, they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, she got money, but y'all don't know I'm broke. Okay, so yeah, these, can I get them behind my ear, y'all? Because I got this wig on, y'all. Okay, like, oh, y'all, like, oh my god, it's giving me futuristic vibes, it's giving me space vibes, it's giving me just shmoney. Okay, so these are also the same exact price. Well, I'm not for sure exactly how much they are. I think they're like 300 and something or whatever. So if you can find them, I think they're ranging in different prices or whatever. But y'all, like, period, like, look at that. It's got the Dior on the side as well in gold, but it's just covering the whole face. Like, if you don't want to be seen, I wouldn't necessarily just wear this if I was going out somewhere. I would probably just wear this, like, if I didn't want to be seen on a day that I'm just like, oh my god, I don't want nobody to look at me, I don't want nobody to know me. Like, you can't see me with these on, period. But I can really see, like, it's not super dark to the point where you can't see, but somebody can't see you. They ain't gonna know you. All they gonna know is that you got some money. Okay, well, they gonna think you got some money. But I love these. The only thing about them is I would have to wear them so low. Like, I'm so weird. I like to see my eyebrows. Like, I want to see my eyebrows for some reason. Like, I don't know. Comment down below if y'all like that, where you want to see your eyebrows when you have on your sunglasses. It might just be me, but I like to see my eyebrows a little bit. But y'all, these are cute. These are so cute. It's giving me everything it needs to give. Like, y'all can't tell me these ain't no cute glasses. Okay, so let me take these off. Okay, put these up here. Okay, but yes, they're cute, girl. They're cute. They're cute. They're cute or whatever. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these sunglasses, and would you get these? Would you pay that for these sunglasses or whatever? But let your girl know what you think. Don't forget to hit that like button down below on this video if you enjoyed this video, because it does help my channel and it helps YouTube promote my videos. Y'all know y'all want to see this first. So as always, you guys, don't forget to what? Come back. Bye, y'all. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't fake on your girl, okay?